Hello, and welcome back to Peak B&B. One of my biggest pet peeves when I'm traveling is overpacking. I rarely take more than a backpack with me anymore. I don't have to stress out about getting it checked, it getting lost, or just having to lug it around with me. Now that I am better at identifying what I need to bring, have learned how to pack efficiently, and have found some really travel-friendly items, traveling with a backpack has become very easy and just more convenient. So here are 11 tips and tricks to help you travel on your next vacation. Number 1, finding the right backpack. I have a variety of different styles, shapes, and sizes that I travel with for different trips. The Cabin Max bag that I have has been my favorite for long or intense trips due to its larger size and how lightweight it is. Number 2, you need less clothes than you think. It's hard for me to tell you what exactly I pack with me every time because I'm always going to different climates and so I need different things. It usually looks something like this. A nice durable top for every 2 to 3 days, a light breathable long sleeve shirt or jacket, a pair of comfortable leggings that can also be worn as pajamas, a waterproof jacket, a good pair of shoes, and a fresh top to travel home in. If you are traveling somewhere really hot or somewhere you plan to be swimming a lot, rather than packing extra tops and a swimsuit, I pack swimsuits that can easily double as an outfit. Number 3, to be really space efficient, with all of your clothes, roll them up really tightly. You can also use them to keep some of your more fragile items safe. If you're really worried about rolling up your clothes and making a lot of wrinkles, they do make the Downy Wrinkle Release Plus in a travel size, and this stuff is awesome. Number 4, Ziploc bags. These will help keep things compact and really organized. I always pack a handful of extra plastic bags to use along the trip. They can come in handy in so many different situations, like if you have something wet that you need to put back in your bag, if you are carrying any liquids that could potentially leak and make a mess, or to just keep your clean clothes and your dirty clothes separated. Number 5, ibuprofen and melatonin. I bring at least 1 ibuprofen tablet for each day that I will be traveling, and if I'm going to a different time zone, a few melatonin tablets to kind of fight that jet lag. Number 6, a cable bag. A cable management system and multi-purpose cables are a must. I often travel with a point and shoot camera, a gimbal, a small drone, a GoPro, my laptop, and of course, my phone. Number 7, bring minimal toiletries and accessories. Try not to go crazy with makeup and other products and just bring the essentials. Personally, a hat is my secret weapon and I never travel without one. It takes the pressure off of having to do your hair every day because my hair does not travel well. Number 8, snacks. Airport food can be extremely expensive. Bringing a bag or 2 full of snacks to munch on during your flight, at layovers, or while you're at your destination has gone really well for me. Depending on where you go, leftover snacks can create some really fun experiences as well.
Is it good? Do you like it?
Number 9, a microfiber towel. These are awesome. They are incredibly absorbent, dry really quickly, and are very compact. Number 10, depending on your destination or if you're planning to sleep in the airport, a sleeping mat can be a really nice thing to have. This one has worked out best for me. It's inflatable, it doesn't take up much space, it's not difficult to inflate manually, and it is surprisingly comfortable. And the last item on my list, cash. You never know when you might need just a little bit of cash on hand. For a 7-day trip, I generally bring about $20 to $50 in small bills. I haven't ran into any emergency situations where I've needed the cash, but I have ran into some situations where it was very convenient to have it. So that's it. I don't think I've left anything out. I really hope this video has helped you. If it has, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.